Love and light, welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, I just want to thank all of the people that came into my comments to help me amend this bed that I have that won't grow. I had over 21 comments, and I really appreciate it. I gained a lot of subscribers as well, so I want to thank you for coming to the channel, and I appreciate you. But today I'm going to talk about something that I don't see in a lot of people's gardens, and I've introduced it to mine, so let's get started. And that is copper. I've introduced copper to my garden because there's enough heat energy in this copper to liberate weak electrons, right? So it's a conductor of electricity, right? And so when you put these in your garden, believe it or not, it actually has plenty of benefits for your garden. Okay, so when you use copper in the garden, I'm going to explain to you what it does. Copper is Cu on the periodic table of the elements, and copper is what I wear. I make copper jewelry. I'm trying to collect positive energy, conduct positive energy, and it's required for many enzymatic activities in plants, okay, for the chlorophyll and for seed production. So when you start your seeds, you know, this copper helps your seeds produce faster. And it also yields in disease and makes your plant less susceptible to disease when you add copper to your plants, okay? A lot of folks don't know this, but some do. Believe me or not, this is not a new concept at all. And I also want to tell you the spiritual aspect of copper as well, because when you know the spiritual aspect of copper, you'll also wear it for yourself, and you'll try to you'll try to emit positive energy as well. So copper activates and opens the base and sacral chakras, okay, advancing and stabilizing the energies of intuition, sexuality, desire, and vitality, okay? Some people need some of these things, some people don't. And it's said to be the bestower of good and bringer of luck. So copper is said to especially bring positive energy in the recovery of property or possessions, okay? So that's on a spiritual note. It also supports, which to me is the most important. Copper supports in removing negative energy and balances out the chakras in order for you to be in the right place to receive all the spiritual gifts, energy, etc. that the world has to offer. Believe it or not, okay? This is when you find out who you are and what you're made up of and what the power that you have, you'll understand the power that you have to grow, the power that you have to produce, create, and do all those wonderful things, okay? So again, I want to thank everybody for coming to the channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video as well. And remember to always do your best, be blessed, and add copper to your garden.